Okay, I'm going to do an update on the co-op with LiveGood. Okay, so if you're already in LiveGood, you know that the last year or two, there hasn't been an opportunity to so-called pay for leads. Okay, pay for traffic. All right, now you can do it on your own accord if you have your own capture page or system, and then if it somehow leads to LiveGood that way, you can partake in that. Okay, but as far as just paying for traffic and having it go directly into your capture page. And I'll show you what the capture page is if you have not signed up with LiveGood. Okay, everybody gets a capture page when you join LiveGood. Okay, it's the last step where people put in their name, email address, they get information about LiveGood. For 30 days if they want, they can always opt out, or they can just get the email and join. Okay, I went ahead and I bought two of the co-ops. Okay, they're 35 bucks a piece. And right now I'm going to just show you what results over the last 30 days since they released it. Okay, and right now, all I can say is I don't have results yet. And I guess according to this email, and I have one other one that they sent me, I don't know if you'd call it overwhelmed, but they oversold the co-ops. Okay, so if there was like 1,000 or 50,000, I guess, co-op opportunities available, there's not any more left. They have to wait until, I guess, everyone gets their signups or leads fulfilled, and then they can go ahead and say, okay, more people, everyone from diamond to platinum, all right, down to, let's say, gold, silver. Okay, right now, you have to have a couple people signed up in your group. And it's not just 2 bronze. They want you to be a silver. They want you to have at least 10 people in your downline. So you, on your own accord, you've joined LiveGood and you've invited people to your capture page and you've had 10 people or more sign up. Okay. If you're in that category, they sent you an email a month ago and said for $35 each, you can buy 1 lead. Okay. And they'll sign up to either be either a member or an affiliate. Now, I'm looking for affiliates. Okay, if they're just a member, it doesn't really do me any good. Okay, sure, that person signs up underneath me and maybe they do get products at a wholesale price, but I want them to actually be an affiliate. Okay, all right, we don't profit off the product side. That's because we focus on the wholesale side of things. So when you are a member for 10 bucks a month, yeah, it's pretty cool. You can buy our products for dirt cheap and resell them if you want, or just use them and get yourself a big old deal. But I'm looking for affiliates, especially if I'm paying 35 bucks for 1 sign up. Okay, I'm pretty good at getting my own signups now. I have almost 400, which puts me at number 27 out of 1.7 million people in LiveGood. Okay, but I'm a storyteller. So when the co-op was available, they said, okay, Cory, you're higher than silver rank. So you can buy 2 co-op packages, each 35 bucks. So I spent 70 bucks and it's been a month. And right now, if you can see my screen, maybe I can just read this to you. You know, congrats. I'll be one of the first people to participate in the co-op. Your customers will be delivered in the next couple weeks. Okay. So, it's been about a month. Okay. And I guess in a week or two, they just keep sending out maybe an email saying, okay, we sold out of the packages. We just got to wait until the initial order of packages are fulfilled. Then we can resume. And then CEO Ben, he said the goal is where anybody in LiveGood, even if you just sign up and you have no signups yet, if you have 35 bucks, okay, you can buy a co-op package, which is 1 person signing up as a member or an affiliate. Now, that's where I'm worried, because if people are just signing up to be members, okay, they're a member, but I make money when they sign up as affiliates. So I'm a little 50-50. I'm on the fence right now. Number one, it's been a month since, I bought the co-op, and I don't know if it's going to take 1 or 2 or 3 more months tying up 70 bucks. Okay, because I can go buy leads somewhere else and direct them to one of my other packages or opportunities or capture page that will lead to LiveGood. Because I use a funnel. If you want to see how I make way more money signing up people to LiveGood, of course, but I make a boatload of money more because I use a funnel system. If you want to go to pleasewatchvideo.com, okay, and that's not a cheap, shameless plug to get you to join my funnel system, But if you want to see what I do now, and I'm not waiting for the co-op, okay, I bought pleasewatchvideo.com, and I lead them to a funnel system, and you can, participate in the funnel system too. It's up to you. For this video purpose, I want to show you what I do, because I'm not waiting. I've been using a funnel system for a year and a half now, and I've made a boatload of money by doing it the way that I do it. But I just wanted to do an update as of January 7th of 2025. I have no signups via the co-op, okay? I have had signups. I had 12, 13 people. No, I think I had 15 people in December, and I just had someone sign up 2 days ago. And I asked them point blank, how'd you find me? Why did you sign up underneath me? And they tell me, they say, hey, you know what? I got an email from you, or I saw you on a YouTube video. I go, okay, and that's all I need to know, because YouTube is very effective for me, where people, hopefully they know me, they like me, they trust that when I say Live Good's a pretty cool thing, you should give it a shot. All right. So right now, out of the 400 people that have signed up with me, I have none as far as the co-op. Okay. And you can just see the email. I just left it up on the screen so you can just read it yourself as I sit here talking for 6 minutes. But, our advertising efforts are going to bring in new customers and members every day. And we're filling orders as they come in. You're in the queue. And we'll get your customers as soon as possible. We'll let you know when you receive your customers. Keep up the great work and let's crush it, okay? So I have no idea, and I don't know anyone else in Live Good, and I know about 25 to 50 other people that are in Live Good, and they were above silver, where they could get 1 or 2 co-ops for $35 a piece. All I can tell you, I'm a storyteller. I like to tell my story. What's my experience? As of January 7th, not one person I know has got a sign up as a member or an affiliate using the Live Good co-op. Okay. So right now, if we have to wait another month or two, I guess to get results, all right, is it worth tying up your money? I would say no. I'd say wait until Live Good works out the kinks, tries to get a better source. Okay. Because we have 1.7 million people, guys. We're going to have 1.8, 1.9. We're signing up 60,000 people per month, mostly in Asia. Okay, when it comes down to America, guys, there's no competition in Live Good. No one has any competition when it comes down to signing up people in Live Good, because there's tens of millions of people just in America and hundreds of millions of people all over the world that want to do online marketing or make money online. Okay, so don't think it's saturated. That's hardly the case. Even if I sign up 10 people, which I will in the next month, I know that 9 out of 10 are probably not going to really follow through. And that might be you. Okay, you might get frustrated and not make $1 million your first minute or 10 minutes or month. And you just kind of drift off, and sure, maybe you buy the products. But guys, Live Good is a membership-based website that commissions on the membership side. So if you sign up as a member and you just enjoy the savings, that's good for the company, but not for me or you if you're an affiliate. To be an affiliate, it's only $40 one time. 2 $20 bills, guys, you're done. You are an affiliate. As long as you're a member each month for, $10 a month, it's actually $9.95. Okay? But that's how easy. And it's not complex and sophisticated. And if you just want to invite people to a link, all right, I bought joincory.com. I've signed up 400 people by doing the exact same thing every day. I just make content. Some days I make money, sometimes I don't. Some days I get signups, sometimes I don't. But what I did is I joined other opportunities that complement Live Good. And right now, if I don't get a sign up in Live Good, I do in my funnel system. And you know what? If someone doesn't sign up in my funnel system or Live Good, someone might buy a package for $900 in my legacy program. And that's $900 that goes in my pocket, guys. Okay? A week might go by, and then, I'll get a couple signups in Live Good and maybe one in the funnel system. Okay? Multiple streams of income. Guys, please acknowledge that it's nice to make multiple incomes each day, each month, each year. Okay? Putting all your eggs in one basket. For example, just promoting Live Good. Okay, awesome if you want some side money, but why not make enough money to where you can actually make full-time income? Because it's the same effort as making part-time income, side hustle income, as it is full-time income. Guys, I'm speaking from experience now. I've been doing this almost 2 years. All right, April of 2025, which is just a month or two away, I've got 2 years into Live Good and my other opportunities that do extremely well, complementing Live Good. Okay? So that's just my 2 cents. I always like to do 10-minute videos. That's always my goal. And I can do 5-hour and 10-minute videos, I'll tell you, when it comes down to marketing and advice and what I think would be best for you. But this video, I just wanted to say, as of January, I got to look at the computer screen, January 7th, all right, of 2025. It's been a month or so, and I've received no package update, no co-op update, other than we're working on it. We're overwhelmed. We're just going to wait until things get caught up and certain people, I guess, hopefully get signups. And guys, if you're watching my video, will you comment below? Because by the time you watch this, it's going to be a recording, probably on YouTube or Facebook. But if you've ordered a co-op package, one is $35. They only allowed you 2. So the most you can have is 2 signups, $70, okay? But if you have had a sign up via the co-op, can you please let me know? Because I've asked a whole bunch of other people in Live Good, and I don't have one person with 1 sign up yet at all. And it's been 30 days. That's a long time. Okay? To pay money and wait 30 days, and then another 30 and another 30, that's just, it's horrible. Please don't do the co-op. If that's the result right now that I'm experiencing, there's better ways to invest your $70 to get signups. Okay? And if you want to know more about it, just get a hold of me or go to pleasewatchvideo.com. Okay? So, anyway, thank you for the last 11 minutes and a half. All right? By the time I say goodbye, it'll be 12. Okay? Subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you have any questions or advice or maybe some updates about Live Good, please put them below the video, okay? Get a hold of me if you need something, Cory at corydraper.com. Okay? And once I get any type of update or results with the co-op, guys, I'll be the first one on YouTube to do a boatload of videos about it, okay? All right, peace and love. Okay, thanks, guys, for your time. Have a good day. Bye.